It's 2024 and the internet is actually different. Everything is really looking more advanced, and definitely whatever has worked in the past couple of years might not be the same thing working right now, or might have lesser effect. And this is exactly where I'm going to be talking about digital marketing and also showing you guys exactly what you can actually start doing right here in 2024. Now, if I was actually going to be creating this particular video earlier, like I created other content around digital marketing, I'll simply tell you to actually start learning digital marketing by jumping on Google Digital Garage. And when you come here, basically, you can actually get to choose on Grow Your Career, and you can actually see a couple of different programs that they have for you, which you can most likely jump on and get started with something for yourself, especially for those of us who are looking to scale our skills and grow in our career, or even build and scale our business with digital marketing. And I actually have a couple of other free programs that you can actually get access to. But like I said, it's 2024 right now. If you actually want to learn digital marketing, I most likely just direct you to a couple of areas where you are able to build your career to the point where you can actually generate over $100,000 for yourself. Now, there are several things that entrepreneurs can do and several skills you can actually learn that will make you money as well. But then if you're a career person and you're looking at still working with several companies, but then still earning as much as would help you to fend for yourself and also live a very good life, then these three major skills right here in this particular video are what you need to get started with right away. Now, the very first one I'm going to share with you guys right now is growth marketing. Now, growth marketing has actually been one of those most talked about, career paths that you can actually get started with right now and scale. And when you come over here, you most likely would see that it says here, as a growth marketer, you'll be earning about $90,000 or even up to $106,000 every single year. Now, this basically means for you as a growth marketer that you are able to earn as much as 100 million naira when converted here to Nigerian currency, or you can actually convert it to your own local currency as well. And dividing this by 12 months, you actually know how much you're going to be getting. And this is actually one of those career paths that is still intertwined with digital marketing, because in order for you to be a growth marketer, you actually need to understand everything around digital marketing and now also focus on this area and aspects around growth marketing. But you can actually see here, it says here, growth marketing goes beyond traditional marketing responsibilities such as brand marketing and customer acquisition. They focus on engaging, retaining and converting leads into loyal customers who will advocate for brands. Now, if this basically is what growth marketers should actually be looking at, then basically this is also what every business owner expects from every digital marketer. Because if I'm a business owner, I want to employ you as a digital marketer, I'm looking at how you can actually help with my engagement, with my retaining, and also converting the leads I have into loyal customers that will buy my product. I need more sales, right? And that is just what is currently in demand. So basically, you can actually look out for several skills that will really help you as a growth marketer. As you can see here on the screen, identifying opportunities for growth for businesses, developing and executing growth strategies, tracking and measuring progress, knowledge of A/B testing, knowledge of user onboard experience, social media management, data analysis, and also creative thinking. Now, these basically are a couple of skills you need to actually note and master if you really want to grow in this particular area. With over 5 years of experience and earning over $500,000 as a digital marketer in the online space, I want to expose every of my secrets to you and give you access to everything that I know. Now, one, I'm actually doing this for my YouTube channel. Currently, I have over 500 videos inside of here right now that are all accessible to you all for free. And two, I have two other things that I can give out to you. One is you getting access to my WhatsApp community for free. Here, we actually have a series of discussions. I share all of my ideas, and we actually just talk about random ways to make money on the online space, and you can access that all for free by clicking the link in the description. But secondly, guys, you can now access my membership plan for just 20,000 naira every single month. And with this, you're going to be able to get more. Here, I'm going to expose to you guys and give you guys some in-depth insights into different methods and strategies on how you can scale in various areas in the online space, notwithstanding whatever you're currently doing or whatever you're currently, putting together for yourself. I'll definitely show you how to make it work and how to also get success as quick as possible. And at the same time, you also get to access a couple of other several perks, as you can see on the screen right here, and most importantly, have access to chat with me privately on a one-on-one live session where I'm going to take a deep dive into your personal business and help you structure out a particular pattern that would definitely start bringing you results and making you a lot of money in this very space. Now, all of the links right here are going to be in the description of this particular video, and you can simply use the description or the pinned comment to access any of this, and I'll see you. Just keep on watching your video right now. Now, the second career path you actually want to get started with right now is data analytics. And coming over here on Google, you can basically see that a data analyst is going to be earning as much as $78,000 every single year. And this right here is a very, very high in demand skill, and you can see that you also will be getting a very huge lump of salary every single month if you actually to jump in this particular space. But then guys, I would also love to look at the job description so you can also know what exactly you're going to be doing if you're going to be taking up in this particular space. So you can see here, data analysts collect, analyze data to help businesses and organizations to make better decisions. And some responsibilities right here are collecting data, analyzing data, reporting results, setting up processes, working with teams. So basically, you're just going to be collecting data, analyzing it, and setting it up and working with the teams that are going to be able to deploy a couple of strategies that you've actually laid out for the company's growth and all. Definitely, you're going to be working with the growth marketer, and you guys will be putting this together around how you can actually use the existing data you have to make or get meaningful results for the company. So the third career path right now that any one of us can actually get started with right now in 2024 is product marketing. Now, coming over here on the screen, you can actually see that for product marketers, the average salary here is about $118,000, and this is really a very huge one. But looking right here as well, you can actually see product marketing involves the process of bringing a product to market, promoting it, and selling it to customers. Right, the whole process, which is actually going to involve you getting and building up a product from scratch to actually making sure it gets to the customers, is actually product marketing. How do you get to bring a product to life, bring it to the market, and make sure that the people who most likely would need it are able to access it and are able to purchase it? That's all around product marketing. Now, there are different integrities around product marketing as well, which involves you understanding the product target audience and also using strategic positioning and messaging to boost your revenue and demand for that particular product. But then that is actually when you delve into everything around product. Let's look at the product marketing job description so that we can also see some couple of insights around this particular space. So as a product marketer, you are going to be doing a couple of market research, the product launch, so analyzing market trends, contributing to the ad campaigns, creating personas and use cases, developing sales tools and collaterals, developing effective market strategies, lead product marketing content development, and also maintaining constant communication with the customers, and a couple of other job descriptions that is required of you. So this and a couple more are what the company who you're going to be working with would be expecting you to actually engage in or help lead them through. And with this, you're going to be paid very good, and you are going to be making the most for yourself in this very space. Now, these are 3 of the career paths that I would want anybody looking at learning digital marketing today to get started with, because honestly, I actually don't see where you actually want to just get started with learning digital marketing in 2024 and you think that you just want to sit with all of those basic knowledge. You need to know more, you need to actually learn more, because companies these days are currently demanding more, and this is the best way to actually go with the skill you have and to actually getting more in that particular career. Now, one of the things I most probably would actually want you to get access to is how to learn all of these things and master it. And coming over here on Career Foundry, you can actually see they have a couple of programs around digital marketing, they have around data analytics, they also have a couple of programs around product marketing and also growth marketing as well. And here you can easily just get started and start taking a couple of programs they have inside of here. But then, this is actually a space where you have to continuously learn, right? But in order to just get started, you can just pick up a couple of programs from this particular space, after which you can also get jobs right on here. And then once you're here on this website and you're finished learning, there are going to be a couple of other websites which you can also see on Google for free that will give you access to learning a couple of other programs. But then I wouldn't only bank on free programs, I will also jump on paid programs as well, because these days people are actually going to be demanding more, and you want to learn all of this higher skills in order to be able to grow and scale in that career pathways you choose. Now, with this, you're able to get more jobs and get better positionings and also make more money for yourself, and you can actually keep on scaling in this very space. Okay, So this is actually very important for you. Even if in the end you're going to just focus on yourself as an entrepreneur, you need these skills to actually grow. The skills of growth marketing, I've actually leveraged on it, and I've really seen my own business scale very pretty much, and you can also do the same for yourself. Okay, so this is it for this particular video today, guys. I appreciate and I'm so glad you watched us to this very point. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up right now and subscribe to my channel, smash the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Do well to leave comments for me in the comment section below. I'll definitely reply all of them. Okay, so thanks so much guys for watching this particular video, and with this I'll see you in my next video. Peace.